Small is a big word with a bad reputation. Too often mistaken for insignificant or less. But at Volvo Cars, we believe small is a grand philosophy. Because everything starts small. Whether it's a small step for mankind, or a small idea scribbled on a napkin. Big things have small beginnings. So let me introduce you to something huge. The EX30, our smallest SUV ever. Fully electric, as safe as you would expect from us. Powerful, big inside, designed to have a small CO2 footprint. It's everything that you would expect from Volvo Cars, giving you just what you need. For the EX30, we've distilled the very best of Volvo in a smaller package. Take this soundbar, for instance. One space-saving speaker that sounds like 6, filling the whole car with sound.
These are just little things.
Yeah, small can be pretty loud. And what about this interior? EX30 customers can choose between 4 uniquely designed rooms, each with its own personality and mix of natural or recycled materials. From wool and flax to this dark blue option featuring upcycled denim fibres. Which means old jeans like these can live to see another leg.
It's a small thing to give your things a second chance.
Actually, the truth is we can have the biggest impact on sustainability by using less material altogether. Being smaller, the EX30 uses around 30% less steel and aluminium combined than our largest SUV. But taking things out isn't just an exercise in sustainability. It also allows us to imagine new, innovative ways to create space. Like with this soundbar, making plenty of room for your stuff in the doors. Small things can also have a big impact on people's lives. Thanks to 96 years of safety leadership and some new innovative tech, small can be big on safety too. The inside also plays a big part in this. In the EX30, we have taken inspiration from Swedish nature to enhance well-being and allow you to escape. Subtly shifting interior lighting and sounds mimic the natural world to create serene moods. For us, it's the small touches that make the difference. Small is big on little details. Well, it doesn't exactly run on a couple of AAAs. The EX30's battery is designed to be long-lasting, and it comes in a number of sizes, depending on which range or power you need. Don't need much? Don't buy much. Need more? Go for it. We know that one size doesn't fit all, and this goes for batteries and also for the motor. Want to go longer? Get the car with one motor. Want to go faster? Well, with 2 motors, the EX30 is the quickest Volvo car ever. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.6 seconds. Choice. You see, small works smart, not hard. And thanks to this single screen, with Volvo's next generation user interface, with Google built in and 5G connectivity, powered by the same processor as its much larger sibling, small can get you out of a big mess. With a suite of smart features, powered by an understanding of the driver, the EX30 looks after both you and your surroundings. Thanks to Park Pilot Assist, the EX30 can handle the trickiest of spots, even without a mini-me. Small knows exactly how big it is. And what about the space? Yep, it fits. Pretty roomy, right? Because when you remove all the unnecessary excess, you leave more room for everything else. Small can be bigger than it seems. And what's more, the EX30 can go the distance, up to 480 kilometers on a single charge. Small has stamina. But most important of all, small is kind to people, less environmental impact. Yep, you could say that small is pretty mighty. You should try it.
These are just little things. My baby alive.